Hey guys, today I'm gonna start Upwork crash course in which we're gonna explore together that how to create an account, how to grab a client and how to earn. If you have any skill or want to learn new skills and start earning from Upwork, then you are at the right place. In this master course, we will look at how to set up Upwork account and start earning. First I'm going on Google and write Upwork. Now we will open this first link. Next you need to click on sign up button. As we are here for earning, then I will choose this second option. I am a freelancer looking for work. We will explore later this client button too, but right now I need to check this second tab. Let's apply it. Then I'm going to sign up with Google. After setting up my location, then I need to check these two check buttons and then click on create my account. Now our account is successfully created. Next I need to add few more details to set my profile. So click on get started. Here you have three options. If you are new in freelancing, then you need to select first one. If you have done little bit of freelancing already, then you need to select second and get few tips from the Upwork. If you are an experienced freelancer, then you need to select third option. Now for a moment I'm going to select first one cause we are trying to explore it from initial point. The next option is how we want to use our Upwork account. Like we are using it as a main income or side business for experience, or we are just confused here what we need to do. So currently I'm going to choose first option to earn my main income. Next option we have how we need to find our job on Upwork. If I select first option, I would like to find opportunities myself, that I will explore myself that which option or which job I want to choose. And then second option is client can approach us if we think that my capabilities and my previous experience are according to his work. Third option is Upwork review our profile and suggest it or recommend it to different clients. So here I choose these three options, that I can search job by myself or client can also approach me, or also Upwork can recommend me to a specific client. Let's check this. I'm open to contract to hire opportunities as soon as possible. Now click on this create profile button. Next we need to see from where we upload our information. We can import it from LinkedIn or we can upload our resume. Also we can fill out manually this 15 minutes form. For a moment I am going to choose this resume option and let's upload the CV. So it just fill out the profile by getting information from resume. Then you can also customize it or change it. Now you can see it sync up all my information from the resume. As education wasn't added in the resume, so we can manually add the education part in this. Next we need to add how fluent we are in English. So I'm selecting fluent here. We can also add other languages too. Next I need to add skills. Next I need to add my bio here. That they are given example at right side. I'm a developer with experience in building websites and so on. You can write according to your bio here. That should be at least 100 characters. You can also write professional bio by using chatgpt. I have already created a video on it. You can watch. Next I need to add that what are the main services I'm going to offer. So let's select them. Next we need to mention that what will be our hourly rate. So let's specify, I'm going to specify basic one. Now if I set my hourly rate $20, then Upwork service fee will be 4 and I will receive $16 per hour. Next I need to upload my profile photo here and need to add my personal information. Here I'm uploading random photo, but you need to select a photo in which your face should be visible. Now our profile is completed. Then we can submit profile for review. So now my profile is ready to work. After completion, let's view our profile. Now we will explore it further in our next video. If you have any query or question, you can ask in comments. Thanks for watching.